Oh, there's a bite. There's a bite. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, guys, it's a big one. It's a big one. That's a big one. All right, folks. Well, as you can see here, we're getting ready for tournament day. This is going to be the makeup tournament for NVKBA on Lake Anna, our season opener. I'm really excited for this tournament, guys. It was rescheduled from earlier this spring. You don't want to mess with Mother Nature. It was the right call to move that tournament. What they did to maximize the flexibility is make it so that you could pick either day, Saturday or Sunday, this weekend to fish. I've got a lot of things going on here today. It is windy out there, so I might have worked out. Let's take a look at some of the things I'll be throwing. We've got our green pumpkin Beast Coast jig, a chatterbait. This is a Berkeley dime. This will run about 4 feet, kind of a shallow, almost a square bill type of a deal. Got a spinnerbait. These two rods, I don't have worms on them yet, but this is a shaky head rod on my BFS setup, and I've got a drop shot. Let's talk about kayak that we're bringing here. We're going with the good old PDL 106. We've been rigging up our new Autopilot 120, but I still don't have a good way to get it to the lake. I'm waiting on a trailer. We're gonna go with our trusty PDL. We're gonna be completely human powered, and you'll notice that there's no electronics on this thing whatsoever. So we're gonna be completely old school fishing. Really excited, guys, to get back out there for the 2024 NVKBA tournament season. This is the season opener, so let's see how we do, guys. I'll see you on the water. Rudder control is really loose, guys. Let's hope that it hangs on through the tournament. There it is. Alright. Let's get rolling. Oh, shoot. No. Alright. Now, that was a little one. But I think we found something here. Dang it. Missed one. That's okay. Hey, we found something that might work here. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Boat flip them. Holy crap. That is a big one. That's a good one there, guys. Oh, yeah. It might be a good day here. Man, my jig is all jacked up. I got my reel in the water. All right. Here we go, boys. I think I got a good spot here. I think we might just lock that jig in our hands, guys. That is the thing. Man! It's a 16 and a half. Good one. Alright, guys. Now that's the way to start it. Nice jig fish. Sun's about to come up. See if we can get one over here. We need to go back to our jig. I do seem to want it on the bottom. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Yes. Oh, that's a good one. Another good one. Yeah, we gotta stay with the jig, boys. Oh my gosh. I am a mess, guys. We got the reel in the water again. Oh, that's a long one. Oh, it's a good one. It's a really good one. No, it's a 19. It is a 19. It's a 19. That's what we needed. That's what we needed. Good fish. Really, really good fish. Look at that, guys. Alright. I mean, I think we're just going to lock the jig in our hands today, guys. We've tried a couple of other things. There we go. Whew, barely hooked. Barely hooked. This is number 3. Alright guys, another jig fish. Oh, there's a bite. There's a bite. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, oh, guys. Guys, it's a big one. It's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a good size. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes. That is a big one. That's number 4. That's a big one. That's number 4. That's a big one, guys. Oh my. Oh my. That's a big one. That is a big bass right there. Look at that. Wow. Guys. Holy crap. Guys, that's a long one. That's a super long one. Heck yeah. Heck yes. Look at the size of that bass. Guys, you gotta be kidding me. This is a giant. This is a freaking giant. Oh my, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one, guys. Guys, oh my gosh. Guys, it's a 20 and a quarter, guys. It's a 20 and a quarter. What am I doing? It's a 20 and a quarter. It's a 20 and a quarter. Oh my gosh. It's a 20 and a quarter, guys. Get that. Keep it now close. Oh, it's a 20 and a half. It's a 20 and a half, guys. Guys, it's a 20. It's a 20 and a half. You've gotta be kidding me. Let's go. That's a 20 and a half, guys. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Let's get him back in the water. There he goes. There he goes. Come on, buddy. There you go. Oh, he jumped. Yeah. All right. We just need one more. All we need is one more, guys. All we need is one more. I need one more bite. One more fish, okay? Just one more fish. Jig is the way to go, I guess. Alright, well, that about does it. We're gonna have 4 fish. Unfortunately, we just never could find that 5th keeper. We missed a couple early this morning. Those were crucial. If we had got those guys, we might have placed pretty high there, but alright, and that's it. Alright guys, we got 4 fish, I think 72 inches, so we'll see where that places me on the standings, but all in all, a great day out there. Caught a couple big ones which were just a ton of fun. Got on a jig bite, and that was a blast, man. Just couldn't find that 5th fish. Spent 4 hours the whole rest of the day looking for it. Sounds like the bite kind of got tough for other folks too, and so we just didn't capitalize on some of those early fish. Probably could have gotten a little bit higher up in the standings, but all in all, a great day. Lots of fun, beautiful day, and we'll see you later, guys.